The Ford Mustang RTR is where raw American muscle meets modern performance innovation, developed in a collaboration between Ford and professional drifter Vaughn Gittin Jr. The RTR, short for Ready to Rock, takes a classic Mustang platform and gives it a more aggressive motorsport-inspired edge. It features a distinct aerodynamic body kit, adjustable suspension and performance tuning that enhances both handling and power delivery on and off the track. Depending on the trim, it can be based on the Mustang GT or EcoBoost with added upgrades for braking, tires, and chassis rigidity.